Now, there was this really interesting question on the community about using Jira for keeping track of the COVID vaccination program. And this question was asked on the community uh, by Rajat. And Rajat is trying to understand, and he has actually shared this information on the community about potentially using Jira for keeping track of the vaccination program. And he has actually shared some ideas, and he's actually looking for, or maybe trying to understand if he's on the right track or not. And think, uh, I think this question is really relevant these days, of course. But the way he has described this is, I think, brilliant, and I'm sure it will give ideas to a lot of people who might be trying to do something similar. So Rajat is trying to use, of course, Jira with a workflow, of course, in one of the project, maybe where he's trying to uh, keep track of the process, like when people are, or in this case, when employees are registered for this COVID vaccination in the beginning. Then it will be under review. Then, of course, someone will give them a vaccination slot, and finally they will be vaccinated. And he's also trying to share that whether he can use employee as an issue type with different fields: employee ID, employee name, mobile number, email ID, and of course any other additional details. And I thought I'll probably talk about this because when we say Jira, when we talk about Jira, people usually think that Jira is used for software development, which is true. But I have seen Jira being used in non-technical organizations, or for doing some non-technical work, not necessarily always using it for software development or maybe service management. And in this case, I think Jira can definitely be used for keeping track of the vaccinations. Why not? And I'm sure a lot of people are trying to do something similar. If, let us say, you're an organization, or maybe you have this plan where you are trying to maybe vaccinate hundreds of people and you want to keep track of it, of course, you can use Excel sheets or Google Sheets or whatever, or maybe a notepad, whatever works. But if you want, you can actually sign up for a Jira Cloud version, and you can start using Jira for COVID vaccination program and keeping track of who has been given vaccination or not. So he has actually shared this workflow, which I think is fine. You can always add more customizations if you need to, but I would say, so basically Rajat is trying to understand whether he's on the right track, and I think Rajat is doing great. This is looking absolutely fine to me. Of course, you can add more workflow transitions or add more fields if you need to, but I think in the beginning you should try to keep things simple. So I would say, if you are also trying to use Jira for non-technical work and something similar, like maybe you want to keep track of your vaccination program for your employees, then why not give Jira a try? Or maybe you are already using Jira, so maybe try to ask your Jira administrator to configure this setup for you. It is nothing but, it could be a simple Jira core project, and use a simple task management template. I think I have talked about this in the past, by the way. And if you maybe take a look at, I'll probably try to show you this template where you can easily get started. So when you create a new project in Jira, and by the way, I'm sharing this because maybe your Jira administrator might push you back. No, we cannot really use Jira for doing something like this COVID vaccination program. Then you can maybe refer them to my video, or maybe this community post, or maybe you can show them how it works. So all you need to do, you need to create a new project. And of course, I'm talking about Jira Administrator because only Jira administrators can create a project. So if you are using Jira, it could be Jira Software or Jira Service Management. That is not really the point here, because you can always create a Jira core based or business based project. So you can go to Jira Work Management. I should use the Jira Work Management word now. So if you now look here, you have this project management, task tracking, process control. I would say go for the task tracking and create your own workflow, a simple workflow. You can also go for process tracking, but I think if you're talking about process tracking, the main difference is that you get like these workflow states which you might not need. So maybe go for it. Maybe go for any of these templates within Jira Work Management, and I think start using Jira for COVID vaccination program. Why not? I I think that is the great thing about community. You get ideas from each other. I have done a lot of non-technical implementations of Jira in organizations where people are and they have been using other tools, but using Jira they can actually get the benefit of having just one tool in the organization, because usually when you have let us say a big company, they have different tools, which is the case by the way. Like each team or each department they might have their own tool, but there are a lot of things that you can do within Jira. Jira essentially, I think people forget this, and I think I should probably repeat and remind everyone that Jira essentially is and has been an issue tracker, which can do a lot of wonderful things. I mean, you can bring more features on top of Jira. Like Jira software was earlier known as Jira Agile, which was nothing but an app, and that app was called as Greenhopper. That was long time back, by the way. And similarly, Jira Service Desk was also an app. So these things, or basically, Jira Service Desk was basically, so there were two apps. The one app was used to have the portal, and the other one was for SLAs. And now we have, of course, Jira Service Management as, of course, a separate application. Of course, you can have one instance of Jira with both Jira Software and Jira Service Management, but Jira Core is always there for you. So you maybe in your organization teams are already using Jira, but you can still use Jira for doing something simple, a simple issue tracking tool or simple task management. Your legal team can use Jira, your HR team can use Jira, and you can also use Jira for tracking your COVID vaccination. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.